to the grammar lesson 1 phrases. Let us, before we begin with the phrases, first let us see what a sentence is. As you all know, a sentence is a group of words that has a verb that changes form to show the tense. A sentence makes complete sense on its own. Here are the few examples of sentences. The setting sun was seen in the west. But the twin brothers are good dancers. Some animals can run very fast. All the cars have safety belts for our safety. So all these four examples which I have read, it gives you the sense, or it makes a complete meaning. What are we talking about? What is happening? If you are talking about twin brothers, who are they? They are good dancers. If you're talking about some animals, we are telling something about them that they can run very fast. Alright, so sentence has verb that changes form and makes a complete sense on its own. Now, what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words that does not have a verb that changes forms. Okay, and it does not make complete sense on its own. It's meaningful only as a part of a sentence. Let's just take, I'll just give you the example. Before giving the example, see, remember, phrase is just a group of words. It is a part of a sentence. Okay, it does not have a subject and the verb. It means when we are talking, the examples that I gave you, the twin brothers are good dancers. It means here the twin brothers is a subject, are is a verb, good dancers becomes your phrase. So you don't know who are the good dancers and all that. Used as a single parts of speech and might carry an independent meaning. Very rarely it might have a independent meaning. Let us see a few more examples in this. With long hair. Now who is with the long hair? We don't know. Very good dancer. The orange sheet or on the hill, in the garden, in the aquarium, the ripe oranges. So these few examples which does not give you any meaning or just few words clubbed together is known as phrase. Now let us proceed with noun phrase. Here I'll give you an example. If I just say, oh, just the nouns are words. Remember, the nouns are the words that refer to person, places, things, qualities, ideas, and activities. So, if we have to say a noun phrase or if to identify the noun phrase, obviously we have a noun in a sub sentence, but that noun should have, that is not enough to describe it as a noun phrase or call it as a noun phrase, but it should have something else, something extra to describe that person, place, object. So we use more words with a noun and they collectively and they work collectively as a noun. So just for an example, if I say children played games, now here children becomes the noun. You cannot call it as noun phrase. But if I add something to this noun, another noun has been added there, like the preschool children played games. So here your the preschool children becomes the noun phrase. Okay, so have you got it? The noun phrase is a group of words that contain the head noun and some other words before or after it is a noun phrase and it plays the role of a noun in the sentence. And one more thing, it also answers the question what or who. And see the following examples. The cute little puppy followed me home. Now, who will you ask? Who followed you home? What answer you are getting? A cute little puppy. So here, the cute little puppy becomes your noun phrase. The old storybook is in the cupboard. What is in the cupboard? The old storybook. I could have just said that book is in the cupboard. But when we talk only about the book, it becomes a noun. It cannot become a noun phrase because phrase should have a group of words without a verb, right? So what extra has been added to this? The old story book is in the cupboards. The old story book here becomes your noun phrase. The injured man thanked the helpful boy. Here also, if we just write the man thanked the helpful boy, okay, there was a man who thanked the boy who helped him. But what is being added to this man is the injured man. So the injured man becomes your noun phrase. Have you got what is noun phrase? Let us just repeat. A phrase which acts as a noun in a sentence, does not have a verb, is called a noun phrase. Now these noun phrases in the above sentences which are underlined there, they can be replaced with the pronoun. See, taken the same examples down. A cute little puppy followed me home. It can be replaced with it followed me home. Or the injured man thanked the helpful boy. Who thanked? Here we are talking about a man, so we have to yes. He thanked the helpful boy. Another sentence example I would like to give you all about how you can change how you can identify the noun phrase and replace it with the pronoun. One more example. The round cookies are in the glass jar. What is the sentence about here? It is about the cookies. What the extra word added to this head noun cookies is the round, and they are noun. Round. So the round cookies becomes your noun phrase. Now this noun phrase can be replaced with the pronoun it, he, she, it, they. Which one? It will be they are in the glass jar. Now another, the loving and caring Ananya in the is in my class. I repeat, the loving and caring Ananya is in my class. So now here, what would be the noun phrase? We are talking about Ananya, but what extra is told about her? That she is loving and caring. So loving and caring Ananya becomes your noun phrase. If you have to replace with this Ananya, Ananya is a girl, so we'll use she is in my class. Okay, children, this was all about phrase and a noun phrase. That's it. Read the textbook, solve the exercise, which are very simple. And one more clue I would like to give you if you have to identify the noun phrase. If you notice, the noun phrase has to identify the noun phrase, just identify the verb in the sentence. And before that, what are we talking about? Like the cute little puppy. We're talking about the cute little puppy. Followed becomes your verb. So before that, you have the noun phrase. It's that simple to identify the noun phrase. But remember, it should be the noun. It shouldn't be anything adjective or something else. All right. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.